Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read ta or ritsu in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means to stand. It has 5 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like ritsu. On its own, it is usually ta. A person standing firmly with both feet planted on the ground. Now let's write it. 5 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Tatsu, tatsu means to stand. Kokuritsu, kokuritsu means national. And rippa, rippa means splendid. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. On, read oto, sound. Nak, read naku, to cry. Notice the small differences. So, that's lachi, to stand. 5 strokes, read ta or ritsu. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.